What's up, guys? Today we just great tireless stuff in anime insanity. First one is this guy Able. You should say I'm Able, so nope. Deal with F.
Three.
F? I never see F before. A, okay, B. Ow! Oh no. I'm gonna fix it later. Oh! A bookshelf with a apple! A apple! F no! Yes! Hey! Put it down. Not again. S, could be B. There we go. Now where's I love the egg. Eggs are cool. They're kind of cracky. Good shit. But you just misbehaved in episode 1. So please love balloon. Man, a marker pen? Yo. Yeah, that's right. No! See, I don't know why it's a marker pen. No, I forgot. But you're not a pirate. You're just like something like that. This one's called house. Oh wait. Let's go. Ship guy. You're the best one in the world. Yeah, Bella. Baseball. I love baseball. Answers. You must. Are you supposed to be Lido? You look Lido because it's so skin. Skin. Crab. Bill? Who's why did we kill this? There are two of me folks, cause they are folks. Quacky! But 1 and 8 2. 8 2. Part 2. Part 2. Ah, don't show my real face. Let me show you.